What's going on, everybody? Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Motorola G71. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is, show you how to do a hard reset. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming down. And if you guys want to see something special that you haven't seen yet or having issues with, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you. But otherwise, let's jump into this. First thing we're going to do is make sure the phone is off, which it is. You have your action button / Google Assistant button, volume up, volume down, and power. And what we want to do is we want to hold volume down and power at the same time. So start off by holding volume down, then hit power. And it loads right into the bootloader options. And we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select. And we want to scroll down to recovery mode, hit the power button. From here, it should load us to the no command screen. To get out of this and to get to the actual Android recovery, what we want to do is hold power and tap the volume up and then release relatively quickly. Main reason you want to release really quickly because if you keep on holding the power button, it's going to auto select that reboot now, and you'll have to basically start the whole process over again. So it's kind of a pain if you want to start over again, you know. So from here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll. We want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button to confirm again. Now it's deleting. Now it's done. And from here we can either reboot or power off. And excuse me, in this case I'm going to power it off. If you did reboot it, it just will load to the welcome screen and you can set up the phone like it was when it was new. And there you go. That's how you do a hard reset on a Motorola G71. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, comment, share, all that good stuff, we definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.